Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark on your video using CapCut. It's quick, easy, and works on both mobile and desktop. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video you want to use. To add your watermark, tap on the text option and choose Add Text. Type your channel name or brand name, then adjust the font, color, and opacity so it fits your style. You can make it semi-transparent to keep it subtle. Drag the text to where you want it to appear, usually at the bottom corner of your video. If you want the watermark to stay for the whole video, extend the text clip to match the full length of your video. You can also use your logo as a watermark. To do that, tap on Overlay, select Add Overlay, and import your logo image. Resize and position it where you want. Lower the opacity a little to make it blend naturally with your video. When everything looks good, tap on Export and save your video. Now, your video has a clean watermark that helps protect your content and build your brand. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut and video editing tips. See you in the next one.